Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add multiple stocks to TradingView chart watch list. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to TradingView and click on the watch list icon here at the right, at the top right. As you can see, I don't have any stocks here at the watch list. So to add multiple ones at once, click on the plus icon here and you can choose your stocks. So I will choose, for example, S&P. Just click on it once and I will choose Tesla. As you can see, the stocks are added here. And I will choose Nvidia, Apple. I will add also this currency, GBP USD. And I will add Bitcoin. Okay, I think that you get the idea. Google. Okay. And that's it. As you can see, we have here multiple stocks added at once to our watch list. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.